guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beige. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below before you leave. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on that bomb wig that you just saw. I know y'all thought that was my hair. But that is a wig, y'all. This wig is from MyFirstWig. I'll have all of their information, the promo codes, and the direct links down below in the description box. The wig that I was sent is a 16-inch kinky straight 130% density lace front wig that I made look like a 360 or full lace wig by wearing it in a high bun. And I'll show you guys exactly how I did that. The cap construction features 3 combs, an adjustable strap, and a removable elastic band. So what makes this wig super special is that MyFirstWig formulated this wig for people with lower hairlines like myself. My hairline is rounded and most wig hairlines are squared, so that always means that my hairline is exposed and my baby hairs always show through the wigs. So with this new rounded hairline, it's supposed to be a perfect match for us with lower hairlines so that we don't have to have any baby hairs if we choose not to wear any baby hairs. Now, this is how it's looking. It's still looking square on my hairline, but the challenge today is going to be not adding any baby hairs at all on this wig. Let's see how natural it turns out. So as always, the first thing that I'm going to do is to make sure that this wig is the perfect color match for my complexion. To do that, I'll be using 2 different colors of lace tint. The first color is the color of my foundation, and I'll be spraying that along the hairline portion of this lace frontal. The second color is the color of my scalp, and I'll be spraying that on the inner portion of the lace frontal. So I did not have to bleach the knots, and I did not have to pluck any extra hairs from the hairline. The hairline is pretty much perfect straight out of the package. I'll be doing 2 different layers of each color of lace tint and then blow drying in between each layer. The great thing about this wig is that the hairline is already fully plucked for us and the knots are already bleached. So moving on to styling, I'm grabbing BioSilk's Silk Therapy Hair Serum, applying that to the hair, and then in small sections, I'm just going to grab my flat iron and begin to straighten the hair. So now that I am at the front of the head, I'm just going to grab this Carrot Hair's hair wax stick, apply that to the hairline, and then use my pressing comb just to smooth everything in place. And I am obsessed with this wig already. It's looking like a fresh blowout. I love it. It looks so natural, even on the mannequin head. This is my first time trying a kinky straight texture from MyFirstWig. Typically, I get their Yaki wigs. Both are flawless textures. I love the fullness of both textures, and I love the fact that even though the hair is very full, it is also very, very lightweight. Okay, so now I'm just going to grab a pair of zigzag scissors and carefully cut along the hairline. Not cutting into the hair because you don't want to cut any extra hairs off, but you want to cut right in front of it and take your time doing this. So it's now time for install. I'm grabbing some alcohol and cleaning off my forehead. Then I'll be grabbing scalp protector from Walker tape and applying that to my scalp. Grabbing the wig and trying it on. Here is how it is looking so far. So next I'm just going to pull the wig backwards. Now I'll be doing my sponge method. So I'm grabbing a makeup sponge in Eben New York Wonder Lace Bond adhesive spray. I'm going to spray that adhesive spray onto the makeup sponge, and then I am going to dab that sponge along my hairline. So next I'm just going to pull the wig forward and just place it in its proper placement, and then put my headscarf on for about 15 minutes to allow it to set. So now that the lace is set and I'm removing my headscarf, here is how the hairline is looking with no baby hairs. What do you think about the hairline? Let's chat down below in the comment section. So although this is a lace front wig, I am going to show you guys how to trick everyone into thinking that this is a 360 wig or a full lace wig. Of course, we want it to look like your natural hair. That's the ultimate goal. So furthermore, instead of it looking like a 360 or a full lace, we want it to look like our hair. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to prep the style by just sectioning off where I want my baby hairs and personality pieces to go. So I'm just going to take out my sideburns on the side, and then I'm doing 2 personality pieces in the front where the bangs are, and then all around the back part of the wig I'm just going to section off some baby hairs. So it's going to be random pieces of hair that I'm going to section off. Then the rest of the hair I'm just going to brush up into a high ponytail. Because this texture is thicker and it is a kinky straight texture, it does cover the tracks really good, and it looks so much like your natural hair, and you don't even see the tracks through the hair at all, which I am obsessed with. And of course, with the baby hairs covering the back of the wig, you're unclockable at this point. Like, there's no way anyone can tell you that this ain't your hair. No way at all. I'm basically just grabbing random pieces of hair from this ponytail, looping it around, and then using a bobby pin to secure it. I am also leaving out random strands of hair, and I am going to curl that part later so it can have more of a personality. So I'm just randomly doing this all around the ponytail, and just take your time with this step. I couldn't really see what I was doing, but it doesn't have to be perfect. I am looking through the viewfinder, so if it's looking a little crazy, do not mind me. It actually came out looking like a bow tie, which I didn't even realize until after I went outside and saw it in the sunlight. But I'm obsessed with this look. I got a lot of compliments on it. And now that I am finished with the bun, I am just going to grab those random strands of hair, and I'm just going to begin to spiral curl them. Unfortunately, my curling iron did break literally after this part of the video, so I had to just improvise and just do the best that I could. But I'm going to take my time and use my flat iron and my bigger curling iron just to curl the front pieces as well as the baby hairs in the back, and I'll show you guys the finished look in just a second. And here is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them down below in the comment section. I will have all of the information, the promo codes, and the direct links to the wig worn in this video down below in the description box. So don't forget to check down below for more information. What do you think about this wig? Do you love the texture of it? What do you think about the hairline? What do you think about the overall look of the wig? I love the style. I think this is super cute. I love the fact that, of course, it's not a 360 or a full lace wig or my hair, but it is definitely giving me all of the above for sure. And it's just a lace front wig, which is cheaper, of course. Let's chat all things this wig down below in the comment section. And also, what do you think about this hairline since I didn't do any baby hairs at all? Let's chat down below. If you're new here, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, comment down below, of course, and subscribe before you leave. And I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye, guys. Yeah, that's right. It's beige.